Hey y'all, before the kids get in here, they're trying to get ready real quick. Just wanted to do a quick little video and then we'll do some video throughout the day too. But I am actually getting ready to head to my church, which is collecting things around your house like food that you can give to the food pantry and everything. And I'm not doing this video to brag by no means. I'm doing it to hopefully encourage y'all to not be selfish, y'all. Listen, I have not hoarded when I've been to the grocery store at all. I've literally went to get what I needed and that's it. And I'm not saying that to brag. Hold on a minute, my phone's ringing. I'm not doing that to brag. I didn't have like 2 bags that I could donate. Like I said, because I have not been hoarding or anything like that. But even if it's just a bag, y'all, take it to your local, wherever they're doing this, wherever they got a food pantry or whatever. Donate it to some people that may be in need or that can't get out and get their groceries because of their health issues. Just help out, y'all. Be a good neighbor. Ask your neighbors if they need something. If, you know, stay a distance away, but help wherever you can help. And I feel like this is where I can help. I've got 2 younger kids. I know even if they got the virus, it's not going to be like really bad or whatever, but I still don't want them to get it. And I still have not been going to town at all, hardly. I went yesterday and ran in Family Dollar real quick to grab up a pool to keep the kids entertained and got some snack foods for them. Other than that, we've been staying at our house outside. So I'm literally taking my kids down to my mom's house, gonna run this food to the church, and then I'm coming straight back home. So that's what I've been doing. So just, you know, keep that in mind. But we'll keep on with the video. We're gonna spend a lot of time outside if the sun will come out. So either way, we're gonna be outside. So see y'all in a few. Okay, so they are attempting the pool again today. Does it feel better, y'all?
I slid with my stomach and it ain't that bad as well.
Good.
If I did it last time, I would be freezing my butt off.
Okay, so we're trying to get the kids to say some stuff. Alright, listen. Sit still a minute. Whoa. Okay. Alright, listen. Don't say it while I'm saying it. Wait till I get done. Rubber baby buggy bumpers.
Rubber baby buggy bumpers.
Brady, look at me. Rubber baby buggy. No. Rubber baby buggy bumpers.
Rubber baby buggy bumpers.
You said it.
Yeah.
Now say Sebastian.
Sebastian.
Alright, Faye, stop a minute. Rubber baby buggy bumpers.
Rubber baby bunkers.
Bunkers. Say Sebastian.
Sebastian.
You said it.
Yeah.
Now you said it right. Say rubber baby buggy bumpers.
Rubber baby bunker.
Bunkers. You keep saying bunkers. Alright, Brady, look at me. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
How much wood could a woodchuck chuck wood?
Faye, how much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
How much a woodchuck wood?
Lord, y'all wasn't even close. Okay, y'all probably gonna laugh at me. I'm thinking the other one is Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. Alright, Brady, try to say it.
Peter Piper pick a pickled peppers.
Oh Lord, okay, that's going the wrong way. Let's not do that one. Alright y'all, this is leading in from yesterday's vlog too, because we just really didn't have a whole lot of vlog yesterday. But we finally got a video uploaded, so go check out our last video. Y'all got anything to say? We still ain't got no. Hey, we got plenty enough time now to sit down and figure y'all's channel out. But anyways, my husband's got my car, so this is obviously different for y'all, but we're in his truck. He's got my car because he's painting my wheels black finally. So I'm heading down to my mom's to go see that because that's where he's at. So we'll see y'all down there. Look at my car.
You better be lucky I love you. And like I said, I just didn't want everybody going in there. Just stir it, just walk light footed.
What a pretty day. Warm.
80-degree day.
Crazy woman. Here's Mom's garden. Yeah, that wouldn't be good. I don't think your neighbors would be too happy with you. Alright, explain what we have done.
So,
Go ahead, Faye. This reminds me of like something tropical. This is where they wanted their pool today. We're swapping it up every day.
do not try this at home. You'll get injured. Okay. Yeah.
The aftermath of the pool. What do y'all enjoy better, mud puddles or the pool?
Mud puddles. Both.
When it's time to go in, but they don't want to come in.
That felt good.
It's fun playing in the mud, ain't it?
Yes, we need to come outside while it's raining.
Yes, we will.